How to change your Facebook profile picture without posting. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I will show you the way as to how you can actually change your Facebook profile picture without posting them. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Facebook app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Facebook, and go ahead and simply either download or update the application. Once you've updated the Facebook app, I want you to go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see that this is how it is actually going to look like. So now if I come to my profile page, let's say you want to update your profile picture, but you don't want it to appear on your timeline or on your feed or on the timeline of other friends and people, because you simply do not want that. That is because you do not want to appear and share it on the news feed. So how do we upload our profile picture without posting? Well, it's very simple. Just go ahead and tap on your current profile photo. Select a new profile picture that you want to upload. So I'll just go ahead and select any of the ones from here. Let's say this one, for example. Once I select a certain profile photo over here, what you can do is you can just go ahead and make any changes that you might want to do on this particular profile picture. Tap on done. And in order to not post this, all you have to do is uncheck this button that says share your update to newsfeed. So currently it will be checked by default. What this does is that it is going to share this update to the newsfeed and then share it to everybody else that you uploaded and change their profile photo. But if you want to disable that, turn off this toggle and no one else is actually going to get notified. Your profile picture is just going to get discreetly without even anybody knowing. And all you have to do is tap on the post button or the save button on the top right corner in order to choose your new profile photo without actually mentioning anybody. And this is how you can change your profile picture without posting. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.